Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Code Buddy. I hope you are doing extremely well and your placement preparation is also going well. Well, guys, from some days I was off from YouTube due to some priority works, and I was getting a lots of comment to start a series for your Capgemini preparation, right? I have heard that in some colleges the exam is there on 23rd of August, the exam is there on 25th of August, and then 28th of August. So exam is really near, and you need to prepare really hard. And this year, I have heard that Capgemini has made uh, quite changes in their hiring pattern. Basically, the changes are not so depth, but I will discuss what are the changes in the hiring pattern and what are the roles they are hiring for freshers, and all the things will be shared in this video, right? But before proceeding further, if you are someone who is new onto this channel, then do consider visiting this channel first, and you will find in the playlist that there are different companies listed here in the playlist, and I'm making the content for different MNCs, right, for your placement preparation. Okay, so you can check out the channel, and I guess in this video the audio will be quite down because I forgot my mic on my like in my PG in Noida, but this time I'm at my home, so I'm using earphone, but this is only for this video only, right? From the next video, or from the next to next video, I will use the microphone. So please don't comment that you should use a microphone. I forgot to uh, come like take the microphone with me because it was a sudden plan to come at home, and that's why. Okay, anyways, so in this video what we are going to discuss is the hiring process of Capgemini, and what are the roles they are hiring for, what is the syllabus, what are the resources you can prepare for free. Okay, let's start with the video now. Okay, so here the company is Capgemini and the hiring is Exceller hiring, right? And we will discuss everything, what are the roles, salary, syllabus, how to prepare everything. Okay, so this is the agenda. First, we will be seeing that like what is Capgemini. Almost 80 to 90% people are already familiar with what is Capgemini, what is their hiring process. But as you're fresher, so you should know. Okay, then what are the tentative dates of exams? Although I have discussed, but again, I will tell you that in which college, at what time the company will arrive, right? Then roles and salary, eligibility criteria, syllabus, how to prepare for free, and past year feedback and results from my channel, because this is also necessary. The resources you are following, the channel you are following, uh, how many services they have provided in the next years, and what is their value, right? So you should follow some valuable resources so that it will not be a waste of time. Then at last, we will discuss from where you can attempt the mock test and from where you can find out the previous year papers for Capgemini and for different companies. Okay, so this is about the, sorry, this should be Capgemini, right? This is about the Capgemini. So Capgemini is basically a French multinational corporation that provides technology consulting and outsourcing services. They help businesses manage and transform their operations using technology with a strong focus on digital transformation. I know that many of you know already that Capgemini is really a good company, and they are very famous already, right? And they usually hire for freshers in the month of August, then September, October. So from August till October, they will hire in most of the colleges, right? Okay. So let's have a look of tentative dates of exams are, I have told you that it is 22nd of August. Then 25th I have heard, and one I have heard is 28th, right? So till now I have the information of these company, this date, okay. And there are some screenshots from the last year from my students that I got on my Telegram group and in my comment section, right? Okay. So let's start. What are the roles of Capgemini that they are hiring for? So basically, through Exceller hiring, right, through Exceller hiring, they usually hire for three roles. The first is analyst or A4 role. The salary will be 4.25 LP and there will be 25,000 joining bonus, right? And number of rounds are 4 to 5 rounds will be there for analyst role. Okay. Then the second role is analyst start, that is called A4P, right? So the package is 5.75 LPA. Again, 25K is the joining bonus. And here the number of rounds are 6. Okay. Then senior analyst, so the package is 7.5 LPA and the joining bonus is 50,000 and number of rounds are 6. Okay. So this is a basic detail about the roles and their salary. Now, these are the eligibility criteria checkpoints. So here, batch eligibility, current passing out batch, that means 2026 batch. This year, 2026 batch. Okay. Then academic qualification, so MCA, BE, BTech from all branches and ME, MTech from IT, information science or computer science. Okay. Then it is a criteria of minimum marks. So 60% and above in diploma if you have diploma, right? It is not mandatory to have diploma. If you have, so there should be 60% at least. Then in graduation, so aggregate of 7 semester and MCA, aggregate of 5 semesters, ME, MTech. So aggregation should be 60%, right? Now, academic gaps. So there should be only maximum 1 year gap between your academic milestones like 10th, 12th degree post graduation. No gaps within a single academic milestone, right? So it can be a case that suppose after 12th there is a 1 year gap. Maybe you have prepared for JE or maybe you have prepared some another exam, right? So there can be 1 year gap. But if you're pursuing BTech, so your BTech should be in 4 year only, not in 5 year. That 1 year gap will not be allowed there. Okay. Now, the next is class 12th attempt. So class 12th can be attempted twice, provided both mark sheets are available. Okay. Then degree of completion time. So acceptable if BE or BTech is completed in 5 years versus 4 years. Then it is all okay. It is acceptable, but it is not recommended. Okay. Diploma to degree transition. And again, guys, see, this is something a common eligibility criteria, but every year, always check the eligibility criteria that is provided in your campus, right? The company is sending you. This is the eligibility criteria. So according to that eligibility criteria only, you will be considered, your application form will be considered, right? So do check it well. Now, backlogs, to no active backlogs at the time of selection process. So at the time of selection process, you should not have any backlog. Then relocation and flexibility. So must be flexible to relocate, work across various technologies, domains, roles, and be open working in shifts if required. See, I have seen many people who are from UP, Uttar Pradesh, right? Who have done their graduation or BTech from Mathura, GLA, or some another colleges, and they are now in Mumbai, Capgemini Mumbai, right? So yes, it is true that they provide you different job location wherever they need engineers, they will send you. So it's not something that you are from UP or Delhi, so you will get here only. It can be a case you can get, but it can be a case that you are doing the job in Chennai, Mumbai, etc. Right? Because uh, locations are based on their needs, not your needs. Okay. All right, let's move on to the next. So service level agreement. So willingness to sign a service level agreement at the time of joining. And then selection process. I'll tell you what is the selection process soon. Then Aadhaar card verification. So you should have your Aadhaar card for sure, and DigiLocker requirement. So an active DigiLocker account is required while applying. Okay. All right. Now, let's understand what is the recruitment process for Capgemini. So, see, I talked to 3 students recently, and all these 3 students told me the different recruitment process. The rounds and the what I can say is the routes are same, but the thing is, suppose uh, in one campus, Capgemini is taking communication as the first round, and in the second campus, Capgemini is taking essay round as the first round. So rounds are these only, but the thing is the sequence is different. So you don't need to worry. You need to give your all the efforts in all the rounds equally, right? Because nobody knows that in your campus what type of exam you will be having. They will tell you in your campus, but maybe in another campus, the same company is taking the examination in different format, right? The syllabus will be same, the rows will be same, and the rounds will be same, but the sequence can be differ from college to college, from campus to campus. Okay, so this is the basic overview. Basically, you have technical round, you have essay round or verbal ability round. Because last year, even I have seen. See, I know very well in GLA college because like some of my friends were there in GLA. Okay, so I know that in GLA itself, I have seen that in one slot they asked essay writing, right? And in another slot they asked 30 MCQs from verbal ability, not essay writing. And in some South campus also, I have seen from I guess Andhra Pradesh, some of my subscribers told me that, ma'am, in some slots we had essay writing, and in some slots we have verbal ability. So guys, please do prepare for both the rounds, because nobody knows in your slot what you will get. Okay, now the next is psychometric test. It is totally easy level test, and it's not something that will judge you on the basis of your score or something. It is just for checking your opinion, your thought process, right? Then there is a game based aptitude test that is also in cognizant too, right? So here if you can prepare, so it will be helpful in your cognizant as well. Then coding round always be helpful in your Accenture, Capgemini, Cognizant, Infosys, etc. Right? Then communication assessment, again it is very simple, and don't worry, I will guide you for every round in detail. Don't worry about that. Then at the last, interview. So the basic idea, the main idea for as of now is, first of all, let's discuss about these round and how you can prepare, what is the syllabus, and what are the sections you need to cover, right? So we have seen that first technical round, or there can be communication round also. The round will be same, but again I'm repeating, sequence can vary from college to college, from university to university, right? Then essay writing is there, or MCQ, that means from verbal ability you will be getting. Okay, psychometric test, game-based aptitude, coding round, communication round, interview. So this is simple. Okay, now the very first thing that we have is technical round according to this workflow, right? So in that technical round, what you will get basically 40 questions, right? Some people told me that, ma'am, we will be getting 40 questions, but some people told me, and even on some websites, I have seen that 45 questions are there. So you can consider the maximum one, that 45 questions from technical MCQs, right? So in that, what you will be getting, some pseudocodes, like we can consider 20 to 25 questions of pseudocodes, and then IT fundamentals. So from these IT fundamentals, what you need to cover is DBMS, DSA, data structures, and cloud and network security. Cloud and network security. So these 15 to 20 questions, maybe they can be 15 to 20 pseudocodes, or they can be 15 to 20, right? So this is something 50-50. Okay, pseudocodes plus IT fundamentals. And from IT fundamentals comes from DBMS, DSA, cloud and network security primarily. Okay. So I think it is clear. And guys, see, it is an elimination round. If you are not clearing the cutoff, you will be rejected from there itself. Okay, so make sure that if it is of 45 marks, so at least try to gain 30 marks. At least 30 marks you should try to gain, because see, you need to you need to fight for your selection till the very end of your interview, right? So you can't think like, here you got 30, and in another rounds as well you are getting average marks, and then at last you will be rejected. Because see, you need to consider the competition, right? So try to score in every round, at least try to score 70% to 75%. Total number of questions, suppose it is 50, so you should try to gain 70% at least, right? So you should try to gain 35 marks at least in that. Okay, I hope you are getting. And for pseudo course, you don't need to worry. There is a playlist on my channel, Capgemini preparation, right? I'll be adding more videos. Till now, there are, I guess, 20 videos are there so far, but I will add more and more videos. So in that videos, I will be taking pseudo codes as well. Don't worry. Apart from this, because pseudo codes are the part of Accenture also, right? Primarily, 18 questions are there in Accenture. So I have a dedicated playlist for pseudo codes, and the playlist name is Accenture pseudo codes. So if you will refer the complete playlist now, you are good to go with pseudocodes, right? Because this is bitwise operations I have covered there, conditional statements I have covered, even functions, loops, and DSA MCQs based on pseudocodes I have covered there in that playlist, so you can refer. Because if the topic is same, if the subject is same, why can't you follow that playlist, right? If it is available on channel, if it is available free, so you should refer this, right? So I would highly recommend you, apart from the Capgemini material, because this is same, so you can refer the Accenture pseudo course. Because last year my subscribers, by following only one or two playlists, they cleared 4 to 5 company examination: LTMIT, Infosys, Accenture, Capgemini, Cognizant, right? So because see, the syllabus is same. All right. Now, if we talk about computer fundamentals or IT fundamentals, so I have discussed that from data structures, you should be primarily focused on trees and linked list and stack. These three topics are really very important. And then along with this, cloud computing, or we can say cloud and network security combinedly. Again, this is again a part of Accenture. Cloud and network security is the part of Accenture. Here it is also asked, right? So don't worry about that. Okay, so we have covered the technical round and it is elimination. Now the second round is round two, that is essay round or verbal ability. Now nobody knows in your slot what you will get, essay or verbal ability. So you have to prepare for both. You need to consider both. You have to prepare for both. Okay, it is your luck that what you are getting. Now in essay writing, again, this is elimination round and you will have 25 minutes to write an essay of 180 to 220 words. But last year I see that they have given the limit of 350 words also in some slots, till 350 words, right? Don't worry, I will tell you from where you need to prepare. Just wait for some times. Let me discuss the thing first, then I will tell you, I will guide you in detail. Then backspace is no more considered as negative marking. So till the last to last year, backspace was considered as a negative marking. But now there is no any problem. But you should avoid using backspace again and again. You should try to make less mistakes. Okay. Now the pattern should be like introduction, body, and conclusion. So this is the basic pattern of essay writing. Don't worry. The round three is psychometric test. So it is based on the behavioral round or psychometric test, and there will be 4 to 5 sections, and each section will contain around 2 questions, right? And it is not an elimination round because they will check like what do you like, whether to help people or not to help people, this type of question, right? If you want, so I will make a dedicated video for that, like what type of question they can ask you. So I'll take 20 to 25 question in there. So you will definitely get an idea that, okay, this is how we need to attempt. Okay, for this round, you don't have to take any kind of tension. Okay, come here. Now, game-based aptitude. So there are certain type of questions in game-based aptitude: motion challenge, digit challenge, switch challenge, grid challenge. On my channel, so far, I think I have 2 or 3 videos regarding game-based aptitude, and I told you an exclusive resource for the practicing of game-based question. And now I'm planning again to upload some more videos for game-based aptitude, because you people were requesting me to start a series for Capgemini also this year. So I'm planning to start. If you want, so please let me know in the comment section along with your date of exam. If you don't know the confirmed date, please tell me the tentative date or tentative months of exam. Okay, now the next round is coding round. So round 1 to 4 has some hidden cutoff. So I told you now that you should try to score 70 to 75% of each, right? So there is a hidden cutoff, and only those who meet it will be eligible for this round. So if you have passed all those 4 rounds, now you can attempt coding round. This round is specifically for A4 people, or this is for like 5.75 and 7 LPA wala job, right? And there will be 2 coding question in Capgemini, and there is no Python allowed. C, C++, Java are the languages. And medium level question will be there, and this is how you can do so, right? The next is English communication assessment, or sometimes we call it as SBAR round, right? So this is again easy. You just need to listen and then you need to repeat. You need to read and you need to repeat. You need to fill up some blanks, and this is also elimination round. So at least you should try to score. If there are 50 questions, so please try to score 30 to 35 questions clearly, right? Now, round seven is interview. So, interview, don't worry. Every year I provide you the content related to interview as well. So, it is something जो कि बात की बात है. तो पहले इतना कर लीजिए, right? So, first of all, you need to clear all the written test examination, and then interview we can handle easily. Okay, so this is the kind of what we have discussed is the round and the recruitment process. Now, this is the detailed syllabus. So, for technical assessment, you should be aware of data structures, algorithm, fundamentals of database, cloud and networking, standards, encryption standards, and algorithms. So again, this is a part of cloud and network security. Na? So this is the part of security. Okay, attack types, firewall. So I consider is the whole cloud and network security. So don't worry. Database. So these are the some important concepts in database that you should focus on. In cloud, you should focus on fundamentals of cloud and cloud client server architecture. Then in game based, this is the syllabus and English, because we have seen that there are some slots that have asked verbal ability questions. So this is the syllabus of that. So basically, spotting error, reading comprehension, sorry, I have cold and cough. So reading comprehension, parajumbles, sentence arrangement, and synonym, antonym, vocabulary again, right? So this is something, the overview of the syllabus, and this is something you can see here, past year feedback and results from my channel. So they are primarily for Accenture, but for Capgemini also we have lots of feedback. Let me show you something here in playlist. When you go there, and in interview experiences if you go, so these all the people are selected from my channel. One-to-one experiences they have shared with me on Zoom meetings. So this is something LTI Mindtree, and then here Accenture, Capgemini, C, number 6. Then here number 9. This is student number 9. This is student is from GLA University, and last year he was selected, and his location is Mumbai, right? So you can see here again in my Capgemini playlist. Let me show you. Okay, where is this? Okay, so till now we have 20 videos. Now for 2026 pass out batch, I'll be making new playlist, and you can follow that, right? Till now you can follow these videos itself again. Now, as we have seen that in technical assessment, there is a section of IT fundamentals, and there is a part cloud and network security, DBMS, right? And essay writing is the next round, right? And verbal ability. Okay. So what I have done is, last year I provided some cheat sheets for free, but this year I have increased the quality as well as the quantity. And here, today I launched Capgemini cheat sheet for written exam. And what I will cover here, 50 essay that is written, right? That is written. And I have taken these essays from past 4 years papers of Capgemini. So all the essays are there, have been already asked in Capgemini. And DBMS cheat sheet I will provide you. And SQL handwritten notes I will provide. Cloud and network cheat sheet that is of 55 page, and like so many questions you will be getting from there, and DSA revision guide that is of 170 plus pages. Verbal ability cheat sheets also provide I will. And then the price is also really less, only 55 rupees. And let me show you something. uh, Once you go on my Instagram and you will check the story highlights, right? Success story highlights. So you will be getting that, okay, these cheat sheets are really worth it, right? So let me show you. I guess network issue. Okay. See, these are the last year feedback. You can see all these feedbacks are from students itself. See, in this highlight, the student is saying that the cheat code or same meaning cheat sheet definitely help them, and like all these 80 questions are from that cheat sheet itself, right? So the content is really awesome and it will definitely helpful for you. So first you can check the highlights, you can check the comments in my on my channel, and you can check the feedback. Then only you can decide that whether to take or not. And don't worry, I will be making more and more videos, but I need your comments that yes, you have the need. Then I'll like provide you the content in the format of video, PDF, etc., right? Okay, so all the best. And this hiring is as of now is on campus. Very soon they will hire for off campus also, I guess in September or October, but till now it is only in on campus. So yeah, that's all for today from my side. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.